Hi College and Career Success. Welcome to week 1 of our fall semester. So this is your week 1 lecture video, and it's going to be rather quick because we're not covering a chapter this week. This lecture video is basically just to kind of remind you of a few things and then make sure that you're ready to get into the week 1 assignments. So as a maybe reminder, hopefully not the first time, but in the Start Here section, this is where all of that intro level stuff can be found. You're also going to find when I have your welcome video, like right here. I'm going to actually bump that up right now while I'm in here, but it's uploading right now. This is, hopefully you've already watched it. If not, this will be a good time to make sure that you take a look at it because it does walk you through kind of all the components of the course, make sure that you're okay with it. So for week 1, you're going to make sure you go into the lessons area and then you'll scroll down to where it says week 1. Now remember, for the student services assignment, in my welcome video I did say a whole separate video will be uploaded just for that assignment. It's not due until week 16, but I want to make sure that I take time just to talk about that. So as soon as the website is updated with all of the fall dates, I will get that video in there to talk about that. So week 1, you're always going to have your overview. When you look here, it'll tell you what you're doing. So you have a discussion board this week, and you have 2 assignments, and then you have a registration through Handshake. Remember, when you kind of get that snapshot, the materials is going to be just what it sounds like, all the materials you need to complete the week successfully, and then the work is actually done inside the week 1 folder. Now you can always see the due dates and the span of everything when it's going to be open. All of that is also in your calendar, and it's also on your syllabus calendar. So again, I'm just going to encourage you to really look around the Brightspace page, get familiar with all the little components and tabs. If you're brand new to Brightspace, it will take a couple weeks, so don't get discouraged super quickly. Just know that there's always a learning curve with online classes, and especially if you happen to be here like in the spring when we were using Blackboard and now all of a sudden we're in Brightspace, give yourself some grace for that. It's going to take a little bit of time, but the more you practice, the more you get familiar with it, the easier it's going to become. All right, so in just a moment, go ahead and make sure that you click into the week 1 folder, take a look at the materials, and then take a look at the week 1 assignment video that's going to help walk you through how to complete these assignments for this week. And again, please reference back to your welcome video, which is going to be under the, I'm going to move it up. It's going to be under the Start Here section so that it's nice and there we go. So it's right there so you can start to get an overview of the course right away. All right, so join me again for the week 1 assignment video, which is going to walk you through how to complete the assignments for this week. The true lecture videos will start in week 2 as we start our very first chapter, chapter 1. All right, see you soon.